Extra virgin olive oil EVOO has long been a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. But its benefits extend far beyond just adding flavor to your meals. Experts have recognized EVOO for its remarkable health properties, making it an essential addition to a balanced diet. This article explores the myriad medical benefits of extra virgin olive oil, showcasing why it deserves a prominent place in your pantry. Rich in healthy fats. One of the standout features of EVOO is its high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats are known to support heart health by reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Studies suggest that a diet rich in monounsaturated fats can lower the risk of heart disease, making EVOO a heart-friendly choice. Antioxidant powerhouse. EVOO is also packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress in the body. The process of oxidation can lead to cellular damage and has been linked to various chronic diseases, including cancer. Key antioxidants found in EVOO, such as oleocanthal and oleuropein, possess anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Research indicates that these compounds may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly breast and colorectal cancer. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Experts have noted that the anti-inflammatory properties of EVOO can be attributed to its rich content of polyphenol. These compounds help to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory markers in the body. Regular consumption of EVOO can lead to reduced inflammation, contributing to better overall health and a lower risk of inflammatory diseases. Brain health support. Emerging research suggests that EVOO may also play a protective role in brain health. The Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes the use of EVOO, has been associated with a lower incidence of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. The antioxidants in EVOO, along with its healthy fats, may help maintain brain function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Experts advocate for the inclusion of EVOO in one's diet as a proactive measure to support cognitive health as we age. Weight management aid. Despite its calorie density, EVOO can actually aid in weight management. The fat content in EVOO contributes to enhancing satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. This can lead to reduced overall calorie intake. Moreover, the fatty acids in EVOO may help modulate metabolism, promoting fat oxidation. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, EVOO can be an asset in maintaining a healthy weight. Skin health enhancer. Beyond its internal benefits, EVOO can also enhance skin health. Rich in vitamins E and K, as well as antioxidants, EVOO can help hydrate the skin and protect it from oxidative damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. Many skincare products incorporate EVOO for its moisturizing and healing properties. Applying it topically can soothe dry skin and may even aid in the healing of minor wounds. Conclusion. The medical benefits of extra virgin olive oil are substantial and well documented by experts in the field. From promoting heart health and reducing inflammation to enhancing brain function and supporting skin health, EVOO is a powerhouse of nutrition. Incorporating this versatile oil into your daily diet can lead to significant health benefits, making it a worthwhile investment in your well-being. So, the next time you're cooking or dressing a salad, remember that a splash of extra virgin olive oil is not just a culinary choice, it's a step toward better health.